Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are covering the topic how to create a free Microsoft Azure subscription without giving any credit card details, and what is Sandbox, and how to create a free Azure resources. So these are the topics which we are trying to cover today in this video. So in order to create a free Azure Microsoft subscription, we need to create a Microsoft account first. So we'll go for the demo. So just type Microsoft Azure login. So we'll get some link. We will go for the link. So I'll add the link which are all I used in this video in my video description, so that you can do while you are doing any POC or any kind of experiment. So I'm just clicking on this free account. I'll go for free. So it will redirect to in this page. So as of now I don't have any account, so I'm just creating one. So you just create your account based on your naming convention. So I'm just giving. So this is the naming convention which I'm trying to giving. So I'm just giving a password. So you have created your Microsoft account. Then you need to give few details. So I'm just giving. See. So just need to give your phone number as well, because like you need to verify this account. So I may get receive the OTP. Yeah, I have received it. So just give the details. So optional. Let me just find out my posted code. Okay. So I'm just agreeing the terms and condition, and I'm just going for next. It is getting loaded for the verification. Now my account is verified. So next area is you need to fill your credit card details, but we are not giving any credit card details as of now. As I stated in the beginning of this video, we are trying to achieve a Microsoft account without giving any credit card details. So I'm just skipping this. I'm stopping the uh, account creation here itself. So next I'm going to activate my Sandbox. So in order to activate your Sandbox, you need to hit this link. So I have added this link in my video description. You can use it. So once it is hit the link, you will get this page, and you need to click on this signing to activate the Sandbox. So you need to enter the email details what you used for your sign up. So I have copied this. So after signing, you will get some uh, questionnaire. I mean, it was asking that like you have any registered Microsoft account which you are using previously or something like that. So you can skip it, or you can go for next, and you can create your profile. Like I'm just giving some POC 11. If you want, you can skip it. I'm just giving my details over here. So I'm just giving what role I interested. So I'm just taking some option. That's it. Now you can go for click on next. So what is your level? I'm just going for all the level. So I'm just clicking as Azure as I'm interested area. I mean, select your product, your own interest. So now it will reroute to the same page. It was saying that like we need to activate the Sandbox. So I'm just click on this button. So it is getting activated. So here also it will ask some telephone details, so you can enter. So it is, I'm awaiting to get SMS. Yeah, received it. So I'm just verifying it. Yeah. Now my telephone verification is completed. Now you can click on this, just assigning some permissions for your Sandbox through this your account which you are created. So I am just accepting the terms and condition. So please wait for some time. Now the permission and all those things are assigning to those subscription. So now Sandbox is activated. So you may get a question that like, what is Sandbox? Sandbox is nothing but Microsoft Azure is providing a platform where you can do your experiment or POC or whatever. So before going to the production or your in your environment, you can do the experiment, like for example, like you need to install some software, or you need to install some, or you need to configure some networking related stuff, load balancing, storage account, data breaks, whatever it may be. You can use this Sandbox, and in the subscription per day you can use 10 Sandbox, and one Sandbox availability is 4 hours. So whatever you created, and you once you signed out, whatever you created will be vanished. So it is kind of a temporary. So now we will log into the Azure portal. So Sandbox is ready. Yeah. So now we have logged into Microsoft Azure, and it says that this is the account details which we given. So it's nothing but my name and the date which I have created. It's 16. So you can see that Microsoft Learn Sandbox. So we'll see whether the subscription is activated or not. We'll go for the subscription first. You can see here your subscription is activated, so you can use the Azure features and product till 4 hours. So as I mentioned in the topic list, there was a area which I need to create the storage account. So I'll create the storage account now. So it's a default, it's using for some cloud shell purposes. It is a default storage account, so I'll just ignore this. So we'll create a storage account first. So okay, the subscription is selected. Now you need to create a resource group. So I'm planning to create a new resource group. Oh, so we don't have the permission actually. Okay, we can ignore it. So we'll go for the storage account name. I'll just put it as test. Okay, so you can select the region. So based on your company requirement, or based on your requirement, you can select the region where should be located. So I'm just giving a LRS locally redundant because I'm not using for any other purposes. So next time click on, so you can see the details, whatever the things are given. So now click on create button. So now the request is getting deployed. So it says that like deployment is in progress. So you can see the progress over here. once it is success, you will get a notification that like your resource group or your Azure component is ready. Let's see. Yeah, now it is created. We'll go for all services. We will go for the storage account. Then we'll refresh it, or we'll wait for some time. Yeah. So this is a storage account which we created. So now you can see that storage account is available here, and you can do based on your requirement. Either you can use container, file share, queue, tables, or whatever it is based on your project requirement. So if you want, like I'll just demo on how to create a container. You can decide the container should be publicly available or private. I'm just going for public availability. Let's see. Okay. So the container is available. So we in the first video which I have posted, I have started from container area. I mean storage account. So where we can copy the local file into the container. So if you those who interested, you can start from this video, and you can go for the first video. So if you go for the second video, you will get to know how to create a Azure subscription, what is Sandbox, and how to create a storage account. And second video, it will demonstrate how to copy a file from local machine to Azure storage account. So that is how. So I'm going to wind up my video. So in case if you have any doubt or clarification, you can comment in my below the video so that I can uh, try to resolve it. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video.